Hi, my name is Rolando Viles Monforte, and I'm an immigration consultant at the law office of Matthew Jeffrey in Toronto, Canada. Today, I'll be talking about the processing times for spousal sponsorship applications. Those applying for spousal sponsorship, common law partner sponsorship, or conjugal partner sponsorship will need to submit their completed application to Immigration, Refugee, and Citizenship Canada. The immigration authorities will initially review the sponsor's qualifications, and if they find the sponsor to be qualified, will refer the sponsorship application to the appropriate visa office for processing. It generally takes 1 to 3 months to confirm the sponsor's qualifications. Once the application reaches the foreign visa office, the processing times will vary according to the workload, number of staff, and processing priorities of the individual visa office. However, spousal sponsorships are usually completed in approximately 1 year from the receipt at the visa office. In-Canada applications generally take longer than outside Canada applications, as the immigration authorities consider these cases to be lower priority given that the spouses are already in Canada. In-Canada cases typically take about 1 to 2 years to process. It should be noted that the Minister of Immigration has stated his intentions to reduce the processing times for sponsorship cases to 1 year for all cases on average. If this target is achieved, it will be a welcome relief for Canadians and their spouses or partners who wish to be quickly reunited in Canada. I'm Rolando Viles Monforte. Thanks for watching.